Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video, we discussed up to 8 questions, right? In this video, we are going to discuss the questions from 9 onwards. Let us see here what is the 9th question. If P is equals to 2x minus of 3y minus of 4z minus 2x minus 3y. Okay, so first we need to simplify that P value. Later we have to simplify that given expression. Okay, ma? See here. What they given here for P? P is equals to 2x minus of 3y minus of 4z minus of 2x minus 3y. Okay, now see here, which is equals to 2x minus of 3y minus of 4z. Here minus into plus, which is equals to minus 2x, minus into minus, which is equals to plus 3y. So remove that first bracket. Next, we need to simplify that. The values which are there inside of the brackets. Here, is there any simplification possible, ma? Not possible. Why? Because here z, x, y. 3 different terms. They are unlike terms only, no? So, first we have to remove the next second brackets. See here, 3y minus 4z minus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus 3y. Okay, now see here, plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled, which is equals to 2x minus into minus plus 4z minus into plus minus 2x. That's it. Plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled, which is equals to here 4z. This is the value of P. 4z is the value of P. Now what we need to simplify ma here? Here we need to simplify that P minus again brackets open and here P plus 2P minus P. Okay, see here all are having that P terms only, no? So first we need to simplify that one. Later we have to substitute the value of P. Okay, then easily we will get that. See here, what is that? P minus of again P minus of again P plus of 2P minus P. 2P minus P. That's it, no? 2P minus P. Yes. Okay. So first to simplify this one, ma. P minus of P minus here P plus 2P minus P, which is equals to P here. 2P minus P, which is equals to P. Next, which is equals to P minus of again P minus of P plus P, which is equals to 2P. Okay. Again P minus of P minus 2P. Now here P minus of P minus 2P, which is equals to minus P, which is equals to minus into minus plus P, which is equals to 2P. Okay, after simplification of that given expression, here we got that 2P. Now here we know the value of P, right? What is the value of P here? That is 4Z we got here. P is equal to 4Z. So just to substitute that 4Z here, 2 into 4Z, which is equals to 8Z is the required answer. Understand ma? Here we got that P value and finally after simplification of this one, just we have to substitute that P value. Why here we did this simplification means all the terms are P terms only, right? So that's why here first to simplify it, or else again need to substitute here P value, again P value, 2P value. It takes more time, right? So that's why here first to simplify this. Then in that method also we will get the same answer and in this method also we will get the same result. Okay, and this is easily. So first we need to simplify that given expression. Later we have to substitute the value of P and finally we got that answer as 8Z. So which option is satisfying ma here? Yes, option A plus 8Z. Okay, yes. Next 10th question say that what they are asking, A value, yes. Here rational numbers they given 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 5. Yes. We need to simplify that A plus of B plus C. A plus of B plus C. So before going to simplify this one, first we can simplify that B plus C, right? Okay. See here. B plus C, which is equals to 3 by 2x minus 5 by 4y plus 7 by 5z. Or else directly addition only, no? So all together also you can add that. Okay, that is your wish. So first I am taking here B plus C terms only. Okay ma. plus c is equals to here 2x minus 2 by 4y plus z. Okay, now I want to write that same terms together. First I want to write that x terms here. Okay, 3 by 2 plus 2. Here I taken that x as common. Just I am adding that numerical values and I am taking that x as common. Okay, next y terms here. Here minus y we can take that common. So first take that minus as common and here 5 by 4. Minus already we taken as common. So that's why plus 2 by 4 into y. Okay, again minus into 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into y minus 5 by 4 y. Okay, next minus into plus minus into 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4 into y minus 2 by 4 y. Clear ma? Yes. And finally we are having here z terms. So z terms 7 by 5 plus here only z is there means 1. Z we taken as common. Okay, see here. Now 3 by 2 plus 2. 2 2's 4. 4 plus 3. 7 by 2x. Clear ma? Yes. Minus of here 5 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Again we will get it as 4 only no denominator. Just we have to add its numerator. So 5 plus 2 7. 7 by 4y plus and here 5 1's 5. 5 plus 7 which is equals to 12. 12 by 5z. Clear ma? Yes. Now here this is the value of b plus c. Now simplify that a plus b plus c. Now a plus of b plus c. A is equals to what is that value here? 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x minus of 1 by 4y. 1 by 4y plus 3 by 5z. 3 by 5z. This is the value of A. Now what is the value of B plus C? B plus C value is 7 by 2x plus 7 by 2x minus 7 by 4y. 7 by 4y plus 12 by 5z. Is that no? Minus 7 by 4y. Yes, plus 12 by 5z. Clear ma? Now add that like terms here again. Again 1 by 2 and here 7 by 2. So plus 7 by 2. Again I taken here x as common. Next minus is there. Here also minus is there. So that's why minus take it as common. 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Again take that y as common. Okay. Next z terms plus 3 by 5z. 3 by 5 plus 12 by 5z. Clear ma? Yes. See here. 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Like terms only. So directly 7 plus 1. 8 by 2x. Minus again 4 like terms only, right? So 4. 7 plus 1. 8 by 4y. Plus 12 plus 3. 15 by 5z. Okay. After simplification we will get it as 2 1's 2 4's. 4 1's 4 2's. 5 1's 5 3's. Okay ma? Finally, we are having here the expression 4x minus 2y plus 3z. 4x minus 2y plus 3z. 4x minus 2y plus 3z. Yes. Okay. 4x minus 2y. Yes. 4x minus 2y plus 3z. Which option is satisfying ma here? Option C is satisfying. Okay. Yes. Let us see that. Question number 11. What is that question number 11? Here say that this is a concept related. An algebraic expression containing 3 terms. If that algebraic expression containing 1 term, what we will call that? That is monomial. Okay. 2 terms there means binomial. 3 terms there means trinomial. Okay. 1 or more than 1 terms there means that is also known as a polynomial also. Okay. And in the same way, every polynomial we can say that one as a multinomial. But every multinomial need not be a polynomial. Right ma? We discussed about that one in concept, right? Yes. See here. Now what they are asking? An algebraic expression containing how many terms they are asking? 3 terms. 3 terms there means that is a trinomial. Okay. So 1 term is there means that is a monomial. Okay. 2 terms there means that is a binomial. Okay, and here 3 terms there means that is a trinomial. Okay ma? Yes. So answer is a trinomial. Next, number of terms in the expression. So first we have to simplify this expression. Later we can say that how many terms are there. So what is that expression? 3x square y minus 2y square z minus z square x plus 5. Is there any like terms ma? Like terms means those two terms are having that same variables and same number of variables. Okay, then only we can say that those two terms are like terms. Okay, here is there any like terms are there or not? See, x square y term is not there. Next, y square z term also not there, another term. X term also not there. So all are unique, right? So which means here all are having that different variables. That's why we will call those 4 are unlike terms. So finally how many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay ma? So finally we are having here 4 terms in the given expression. Okay, yes. 13th one, the terms of the expression. Actually in your material this expression was missed here. Okay ma, in your material this expression not given. So just that expression as a 4x square minus 3xy. Okay, what is that expression ma? 4x square minus 3xy. Okay, from this expression what they are asking here? What are the terms of the expression? The first term is 4x square, the second term is minus 3xy, including the sign we have to take. Okay ma? So that's why here what are the terms? 4x square minus 3xy. Which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Yes. Next, factors of, actually here x square y square minus 5x square y square z. Okay, squares they given as beside ones. So just change that one as minus 5x square y square z. Okay ma? Now factors. How to write the factors? We can write this one as minus 5 into x square means x 2 times we have to multiply, y square, y we should multiply itself by 2 times, and z power 1 is there means only once. This is the factorization form, right? So in this factorization form, that one only, these all are the factors. Okay ma? So which option is correct here? Option C is correct. Okay, or else minus 5 x, y and z. Okay. Yes, 15th one, say that coefficient of x in coefficient of x minus 9x y square z. Coefficient of which letter they are asking, which numerical value they are asking, first we have to observe that. For example, if they will ask that what is the coefficient of minus 9, coefficient of minus 9, except that minus 9, the leftover how many variables are there? Those all variables are the coefficients of that given term. Okay, and in the same way they are asking here what is the coefficient of x, except that x, left over all the here numerical values and variables, those two also factors only, which means those two also coefficients only here. Okay, and in the same way what is the coefficient of y square? Minus 9xz, minus 9xz is the coefficient. What is the coefficient of z? Minus 9xy square. Except that what they are asking here, except that letter or except that numerical value, the leftover all the terms, sorry, the leftover all the variables and numerical values. Those are the coefficients of that given one. Okay. Now here for that x they are asking, except that x, what are there here? Minus 9 y square z. Okay ma? So see here, and here in your material also here minus not given, just keep that minus in that option D. Option C and option D they given as the same, those two also they given as the positives they given in your material. So please change that option D as a negative one, minus 9y square z. Okay ma? And here the answer is option D is satisfying here. Okay, see here. Next 16th one, what is that? Which of the following is a pair of like terms? Which of the following is a pair of like terms they are asking? See here again they given that 2 as beside 1. Option A is minus 7xy square z minus 7x square yz. That is option A. And option B minus 10xyz square 3xyz square. Next C, 3xyz, 3x square y square z square. Option D, 4xyz square, 4x square yz. Clear ma? Now here like terms means what I told you, that those two terms are having that same variables with the same number of times. Okay, which means the same variables are having that same powers also. Okay ma, then only we can say that those two are like terms. So which one is having that like same terms? See here, x is there, here x square is there. That's why this is not, those two terms are not like terms. Next say that here xyz square, same terms only. Here the numerical values may be changed, but there is no change in that variables. Okay, no need to see that it's numerical values. Just we have to observe that it's a numerical, it's literals only. Okay, it's variables only we have to check. No need to check that numerical values. Okay ma, see that xyz square. So these two terms are like terms. Okay, xyz, x square, y square, z square. Here one time there, here two times there. So that's why these two are not like terms. And xyz square, x square, yz. Here z two times there, here x two times there. Okay ma, that's why here this is also not like terms. Okay, finally which option is satisfying here? Option B is satisfying. Okay, yes. 17th one, see that identify the binomial out of the following, which means first we need to simplify that each and every option. Okay, later only we have to go for that to identify binomial. Option A, what is that? 3xy square plus 5y minus x square y. Okay, here these three also unlike terms only. xy square y, x square y, unlike terms only. So here three terms there. Three terms there means what is the name of this one? Trinomial. What is the name of this expression ma? Trinomial. Next B, x square y minus 5y minus x square y. See that? Here x square y minus x square y. Finally we are having minus 5y. Which means here how many terms are there ma? Only one term is there. After simplification, here only one term is there. One term is there means what we will call that? Monomial. Okay, next one. Option C, xy plus yz plus zx. All are having that different only, no, different terms only. That's why here this is having three terms. Again we will call this one as a trinomial. Okay ma, and finally we are having option D here, 3xy square plus 5y minus xy square. See here like terms are there or not? Yes, like terms are there. Where we are having here xy square, here also xy square there. So 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2xy square, 2xy square plus 5y. Okay, finally here how many terms are there? Two terms are there, right? So two terms are there means what we will call this one ma? Two terms there means we will call this one as binomial. We will call this one as binomial. Okay, that's what they're asking, no? Identify the binomial. So which one is binomial here? Option D. Okay, what expression they given in that option D? That is the binomial. Okay ma? Yes. And 18th question say that the sum of x power 4 minus xy plus 2y square and minus x power 4 plus xy plus 2y square. Okay, see here, x power 4 minus xy plus 2y square. Okay, just we have to add those two, plus of minus x power 4 plus xy plus 2y square. Sum only they asked, no here. So that's why see that ma here, x power 4 minus xy plus 2y square, plus into minus, minus x power 4 plus again plus xy plus 2y square. Okay ma, next say that x power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancelled, minus xy plus xy gets cancelled. Next, plus 2y square plus 2y square, which is equals to 4y square. Okay, 4y square means how many terms we got here in that answer? Only one term is there. So only one term is there means what we will call that? Monomial. And we know that every monomial is a polynomial, right? So this is a monomial and a polynomial also. Okay, now as per that options, what they given? Monomial and polynomial in Y. Okay, binomial and polynomial, no, this is not binomial. This is trinomial and polynomial, no, wrong. Monomial and polynomial in X. Just observe that option A and option D, what they given? Monomial and polynomial, monomial and polynomial, clear. And here in variable X they given, in variable Y they given. Okay, here which variable is there, ma? Y is there or X is there? Y only, no? So that's why here this is the monomial and polynomial in X, sorry, in Y terms. Okay, here X term is not there, no, in Y terms there. So that's why here option A is correct. Okay, option D is wrong. Monomial and polynomial in Y terms. Clear, ma? Yes. And the 19th question say that the subtraction of 5 times of y from x. The subtraction of 5 times of y. 5 times of y should be subtracted from x. Okay, from after which one is there? That one is the first expression. We know that, right? So from x we have to subtract 5 times of y. Finally we will get this one as x minus of 5y. X minus 5y. Which option is correct, ma? Option C is correct, x minus 5y. Okay, children. So in this video totally we learned that 9 to 19 questions. Okay, ma? In that next video we will discuss that the leftover 20 to 25 questions. Okay, thank you all.